Noggin Builders is 3 parts of my former life, all put together. I was an engineer and a teacher and a day camp director. When I decided I wanted to go into business, I put it all together to create Noggin Builders.
I came and I started Destination Imagination, or DI, which has been an incredible experience for me. I've been in it for 5 years now.
Kids learn how to become creative problem solvers. They have to learn how to find the answers by exploring and experimenting. They build and create things.
It's been a wonderful place for my daughter to do a lot of creative problem solving in a team atmosphere.
They may come in shy or getting frustrated every time they have a problem, and their parents will tell us that after they've been at Noggin Builders for years, they're more resilient and flexible. They know how to be creative problem solvers.
They've learned to really be able to express themselves, to think critically, to think outside of the box.
Welcome back. The good folks at Noggin Builders can turn any day into a learning day. They have classes and camps in STEM for curious kids up to age 14.
We have summer camps or day off camps like winter break and spring break, birthday parties on the weekends for curious kids who want to share that celebration with their friends. We also have competitive teams for kids that have grown up in the program and are getting a little more serious about their STEM. They can compete in building competitions or robotics competitions.
Well, I've learned a lot of things like how to solve problems. In the case of me doing robotics, I've learned how to build robots, drive robots, program them.
She comes here for the cooking class, and it's expanded her palette in ways I couldn't have done at home. And she tries new foods, and we go home and do the recipes. And so it's so much more than just science.
Are your curious kids begging to make slime at home all the time, or drill with a power tool in your garage, but you're not quite sure that that's what you want to be doing at home? That's what the kids at Noggin Builders do.
They've learned confidence, perseverance, and how to work with all types of different people, and I've seen a significant change in both of them.
All of the teachers here are absolutely passionate about exploring with kids.
The staff here at Noggin Builders is amazing, and I'm not just saying that.
I cannot say enough good things about the staff at Noggin Builders. To sum it up, my son tells me that when he grows up, he either wants to be an inventor or a Noggin Builders teacher.
If we want children to be the future leaders of our world, they need to be good problem solvers with communication skills, collaboration, resiliency, and flexibility.
It's just been an incredible experience. I've met so many amazing people, and I've seen so many incredible things, and it's been amazing.
I think that Noggin Builders is a wonderful, supportive, warm environment for kids to take risks.
They love Noggin Builders. They get to get messy. They get to do stuff they don't usually get to do at home.
My oldest daughter, it has been a big boost to her confidence in recognizing the skills and talents that she has and how she can contribute to a team.
It's the only class that I don't fight with them about coming to.
We invite you to bring your child in for a free trial class to experience the explorations of Noggin Builders. Check out all our program offerings online at nogginbuilders.com.